Okay, now I can show you how you can able to access your domain email account. Okay, I have already created your both email account. Now I can show you. First of all, you need to log into your hosting. Okay, after this, suppose I can go back. I can start this from the start, so you can able to analyze, or you can able to understand the everything. Okay, so first of all, when you try to log into your website, then you will be redirected to your dashboard here. Okay, after this you need to click on websites, and then you need to go to your site tool, and when you can go to your site tool, then you need to, then our dashboard will be, our dashboard like this will be open, and then you need to go to your email. Okay, you can click on email, and then you can click on accounts. Okay, here you can see two email accounts, sales at the rate of house of glamour dot us, info at the rate of house of glamour dot us. So if you want to access or log in any of the webmail, you can click on this, and you can see this log into webmail. Okay, and you click on this, then as you can see, you will be logged into your dashboard, your email inbox or anything. Okay, here you can receive all of your email. Again, I can show you. If you want to log into this one, you need to click on this, you need to log into your webmail. Okay, and then you will be redirected to the dashboard. Also here you can able to change the password. Let's suppose if you want to change the password of your email, you can change the password here. Okay, also if you want to do some setting with the mail configuration, you can find this in this section. Okay, also if you want to delete your email account, you can delete this. If you want to create a new email account, then you can simply type the name which you want to use, and same, can you see, like this one, you just need to type this name. Okay, suppose if you want to create a new like admin, and just use any random password. Okay, so it will not create a issue for you. So I will just use some random password like this one. Okay, and when you can click on create, your new email account will be created. I hope you understand. Also if you want to delete this, you need to click on this, and you need to click on this and delete. Thank you, I hope you understand.